What's up, Mr. Lin?
This is Liam, my shadow student.
Hello, Mr. Lin. My name is Liam.
Oh, well, hello, young man. What is your name?
Liam.
Liam, are you a shadow today?
I am a shadow.
I am Mr. Lin. It's very nice to meet you. Now, where do you go to grade school, Liam?
Green Park.
Green Park. Okay, they let you in?
Somehow.
That is awesome. Well, I'm glad you're here. By the way, Liam, what is your favorite color?
Pink.
Pink. All right.
Pink.
Liam, why don't you have a seat and we're going to get started with class today.
Thank you, Mr. Lin.
I have a balloon for you. And I'm going to have you wear this balloon for the rest of the day so that everybody knows that you're a shadow student. But not only do you get this balloon, but you also get an original rendition of you by me. So just sit still real quick. Don't move, okay? Well, what do you guys think?
I
Pretty
love
good?
it, Mr. Lin.
Not terrible?
I love it.
Here you go, Liam. Now make sure you don't drop this one. Here you go.
Oh no, I'm such a klutz. I'm such a klutz. I'm so sorry, Mr. Lin.
If we were to start a stopwatch once the balloon hits the ceiling, and assuming that the balloon continues on forever, the height of the balloon varies sinusoidally with time. So, let's figure it out. First, we need to write down what we know. We know that the height of the chemistry room is 8.5 feet. We also know that it takes 1.46 seconds to make one cycle. Meaning, after the balloon bounces off the ceiling, it takes 1.46 seconds for the balloon to touch the ceiling again. The last thing we know is that the balloon bounces 6 inches downward away from the ceiling, which is also half of a foot. With these three things, we can start our graph. The y-axis represents the height of the balloon in feet. The x-axis represents time, which is measured in seconds. Since we know that 8.5 feet is the maximum, we will number the graph by half feet on the y-axis. We will number the x-axis by 0.2 seconds. Our first point is at 0, 8.5, because we know that the stopwatch is at 0, and when the stopwatch is started, the balloon is at the ceiling, which is 8.5 feet. The second point will be at 1.46, 8.5, because we add that to 0. We can find the third point by adding 1.46 to 1.46, because we know that that's the period. The fourth point is at 4.38, again because we added 1.46. Since we know the balloon moves 6 inches from the ceiling, we know the point of minimum will be 8 feet, because 6 inches is half of a foot. For x, we know that it will be between 0 and 1.46, and if we divide 1.46 by 2, we get 0.73. So that point right there is 0.73, 8. To find the other points, we just find the middle point between each period. Now that we know all the points, we can draw our wave. Then we can find our a, b, c, and d values. To find a, we take our maximum minus our minimum divided by 2. So we take 8.5 minus 8.0 divided by 2, and we get 0.25, which is 1/4. For b, we know that p equals 2 pi over b. We know that our period is 1.46, so we plug that in for p. Then we can find out that our b value is 100 over 73. There is no c value because the stopwatch was at 0 when the balloon hit the ceiling the first time. For d, we take our maximum plus our minimum and divide it by 2. So we take 8.5 plus 8.0 and divide it by 2, and we get 8.25, which is 33 over 4. Now that we found all of our values, we can create our equation. Y equals 1/4 cosine 100 over 73 pi x plus 33 over 4. Here's the equation in the graphing calculator. Now that we know the equation, let's answer a few questions. First question, after 1 second, at what height is the balloon at? Second question, on the 5th cycle, when the balloon is at 8 feet, how many seconds has it been?
Oh, no worries, Liam. Here you go. And no more trig stuff. It's pointless. You'll never use it your entire life. Let's get back to something important, like chemistry.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Are we singing Happy Shadow Day to you?
Yeah.
All right. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy Shadow Day to you. Happy Shadow Day to you. Happy Shadow Day, dear Liam. Liam. Yes. Happy Shadow Day to you.
Gets me every time.